Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing some crafty summer vibes with a flip through of our new summer theme, scrapbook paper collection, Lemondrops. I'll also make the winner announcement for last week's giveaway video that was titled Summer Theme Crafts, Introducing Lemondrops, a new summer theme paper collection by Decorate Your Life. My winner has 5 business days to contact me with their address info, otherwise the winner forfeits. If winner forfeits his or her prize package, I won't hold a redraw. I will just add your forfeited prize package to the donate bin. All of our crafty donations go to local retirement homes and special needs arts and crafts programs. If your name pops up during this video, please contact me at the email in the description box. Thank you so much for participating. Enjoy the video.
Life feels right in every trim and soft delight. Tag your friends and join the stream. Subscribe and build your paper dream. Decorate your life is where we start. A handmade home, a work of heart. Junk journals bound with golden twine. Pocket pages stitched so fine. Rosy trims and tuck and sweet. Floral prints and summer heat. Many albums shabby chic. Cutting hearts from paper sheets. Layered love on every spread with dainty pinks and softest thread. So come along and craft with me. Sip lemonade and feel carefree. Decorate your life brings peace where tired hands find sweet release. Tell your friends, don't miss the spark. Like and share to leave your mark. Decorate your life where stories bloom with glue and dreams from room to room. Lemon drops and tasty treats are paper packs with summer